Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the FIFA Companion app. First, download the official app from your mobile device's app store. Next, ensure your console or PC is already linked to your EA account. Finally, log into your existing EA account directly within the Companion app. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration and access to all the app's features, getting you ready to manage your team on the go. Once you've logged into the app, the next step is to link your game account. You need to launch the FIFA game on your console or personal computer first. Then, navigate to the Ultimate Team mode within the game interface. The Companion app will then automatically detect your game progress and synchronize your data, allowing you to manage your squad and mark it from anywhere. Sometimes, you might encounter connection issues. First, verify your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can cause problems. Next, try restarting both the Companion app and your game console or personal computer. If issues persist, clearing the app's cache or even reinstalling it can often resolve stubborn glitches, ensuring a smooth experience. The FIFA Companion app offers numerous advantages for Ultimate Team players. You can manage your squad and tactics remotely, making adjustments on the go. It also allows you to buy and sell player items on the transfer market anytime, ensuring you never miss a good deal. Plus, you can claim daily rewards and complete objectives directly from your phone, maximizing your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.